Hello, darkness, my oldest friend. I have come to talk with you again. Because a vision, softly creeping, left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams, I walked alone through silent streets of cobblestone. Near the halo of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cold and damp. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light, I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People listening without hearing. People writing songs that voices never shared. No one dared disturb the sound of silence.